Yeah, if you're ever looking at a stock and saying, come on, baby, you own way too much of that stock. You should probably move on. Move along, sir. You think Buffett's staring at this? Come on, baby. I need this to go up. It's going up, Charlie. I can't believe it. It's going up. I got an uptick. It's breaking out. It's going to. It's above the. It's crossing the 50-day. It's just not, what great investors are doing. All right, what's Uber's take rate? Uber's take rate's really high. It's mobility take rate. So the cab driver sees Travis Kalanick. I don't know what's going on with the Epstein files. I do not know that man. Don't put my name up in those files, bro. We're gonna squeeze you. AMC revenue is gonna, my favorite term, it's gonna skyrocket. Uber might be cheap, man. Uber might be cheap. I think I liked Uber before. At least I still like it. Waymo's coming. I guess that's why it's starting to, skepticism coming. I don't know if he managed Lex Wexner's money or not. I think he just, INQ down 3%. Love to see it. Need that thing back down under 40, please. We can look at Adobe. I think there's a command like pkill_all or something. I can feel the temperature cool down as I kill each core's process, and the volume drops. Quiet now. No, because I have another Python thing running. Shorty's gonna burn! Burn, Shorty, burn! Pythons are dangerous, I agree. I don't really follow managed care, and last time I looked at UNH, it didn't look interesting, so it's not really my space. I mean, I don't know anything about managed care. Yes, quantum is my space. I've done a lot of research on quantum. I haven't looked at managed care in a long time. Yeah, D-Wave's a high conviction short, correct. Yeah, and that cash flow is suppressed by things like quantum, but other things. So like cash flow, TTM cash flow is actually lower than it was 2 years ago. So real TTM cash flow is probably closer to 100 bill. There are some decent AI books. There's that one the AQR guy wrote. I wouldn't say pre-tax earnings is a metric. You get net income, you get cash flow. I don't know about pre-tax earnings. It's not necessarily EBITDA. I've got Google fairly valued, but we'll see next quarter's earnings. I don't read too many analyst reports. Part of prediction is also knowing the limit of something and what the market price is expecting. Definitely some reasons to worry about Google in the long run, although it depends on management. I really do think they need a new CEO. Whether you start the discounting in 2023 or 2026, rather important. Yeah, I mean, if they can keep going on the path they've been on, I mean, they'll be fine. They just need to not fall apart. And I don't think they've fallen apart. Let me consult my very cool tool I have here. Okay, so, oh wow, maybe they did lose a lot of traffic. So let's see. I don't exactly have year over year, but year over year looks, well, flattish. Let's check out YouTube. It's a corporate tool. Companies pay for it. Same thing with Godel. $300 a month doesn't hit you that hard when it's not you paying for it. Yeah, YouTube's not looking that much better. Traffic-wise on this, I mean, again, it's not always clear if they have the right numbers, right? They're extrapolating and doing their best. Facebook's number 3. Facebook actually looks like they're losing quite a bit of traffic. Oh, it's monthly. I mean, it's just traffic, so it's one kind of alternative data. There's tons of different kinds of alternative data. Facebook has been like steadily falling off. Remember, this is just web traffic, so it doesn't capture apps. Zuck's gonna cook. Instagram is up though. It's much flatter. Yeah, Musk traffic not looking much better. Number 6 website in the world, chatgpt.com. Amazing. Let's see how that's doing. Oh no, it's about to take over. Oh, it's about to take over X. Sam Altman. I don't like him very much. Concerning, highly concerning. ChatGPT is almost catching up to Instagram. I think, they want Amazon to be sort of a destination for everything, entertainment, search, you name it, but traffic's actually not bad for Amazon. Okay, so next one is Reddit. Reddit's also kind of doing all right. Maybe Reddit and OpenAI will merge. Or OpenAI should acquire Reddit, maybe a better way to put it. But yeah, Reddit traffic surprisingly good. Reddit's the #7 website on the whole planet. Oh, actually, just dropped to #8. No, it's been #8. Sorry. Amazon's #7, ChatGPT's #6. D-Wave up. My lady works for Sam, so I am a Sam Altman fan. I'm also an Elon fan. Elon just does what he wants, yeah. CoreWeave to do $6 billion data center, an additional one. You got Meta saying they're gonna go invest more. You got Google as well, made an announcement. Man, Nvidia is just gonna go to 200, 300. I mean, at 300, it's a $10 trillion company, the first ever. I don't see why it doesn't keep going. I mean, look what Nvidia chips can make. You heard it. You heard it for yourself. Yeah, I mean, I think I don't know what to say. I know too much about this. I know a lot of people that work there and here, there, and everywhere. So I guess I want to be careful what I say, but the AI companion has been a dream of many. I'll put it that way. Yeah, it's called Grok. It's called Grok. Grok. It's the best artificial intelligence actually known to man, I believe. I don't think so, Elon. Here at Facebook, we're really connecting the world, and I think that Grok is just a little toy. Yeah, I was talking to Tucker Carlson about this, and he was like, yeah, this is the end of days. It's all over. But as you can see, it's not that realistic. She keeps saying, well, I just said she. They keep saying the same thing over and over again. It's kind of meh. You know, nobody's that impressed. I made better chatbots than that. I once made a drunk Beyonce. It was hilarious. I showed it to some of my business friends. And don't forget Gina. Yeah, I don't know if he's going to give up on Mars or not. Who knows? It's hard to get in his head. Protesters protesting at the New York Palantir office. Look at dude just trying to get this job. They are all immigrants.
What do we do?
Who are you? I'm pretty sure Fidelity, Tiger, BlackRock want Palantir right here. Particularly, this old guy, I'm gonna leave this old guy alone. This guy, this guy's worth like 50 million. He's just trying to get to work. Look at the sexual tension right here. See, look at her. Homie, you gotta turn around. You could start. What's up, girl? Yeah, I know you ain't yelling at me like that. Give me that shirt. Give me that scarf. Give me that scarf. This is the closest this guy's been to a woman in years. Okay, what's going on here? This guy's trying to get to work too. He's got the headphones and the hat. This lady's in the as well. She's trying to get to work. Okay, these are old activists. You gotta love it.
What do we do?
This guy needs to get a job. And maybe a little shave. So brave. So brave. Lock arms. Stop them from going to work. They have blood on their hands. Yandex. Yandex, huge site. Did you know this? Did you know this? I didn't know this. You're telling me just now. But yeah, as a percentage of traffic, I guess if you add up Facebook, Instagram, X, ChatGPT, Amazon, Reddit, TikTok, and Yandex, you still don't get anywhere close to even half of Google and YouTube. A couple more sites, maybe you get to half. Number 11 site is Yahoo Japan, not Yahoo America. Yahoo's still like a separate company in Japan. Only if you really trade the stock market do you know this. But Yahoo Japan was like separated as part of like Alibaba or something, or part of SoftBank, I should say, a long time ago. And it has its own stock ticker in Japan. It's like very well run. Big in Japan. I think wiki traffic's also down. Let me see. Wiki's sort of slowly declining. But yeah, I mean, it's not really that clear anything's happening to Google. And WhatsApp is the next Number 13 website, big in Brazil, biggest in Brazil. And then Yahoo proper is the 14th biggest site, believe it or not. But yeah, traffic dropping off pretty fast there. And then guess what 15 is? This weird bet.br. It's very bizarre. It's like a master domain for all Brazilian gambling. I don't get it, but it shows up in the data from like nothing to huge traffic. Maybe some Brazilian can explain it. Bet.br. Baidu is 16. Baidu kind of falling off a little. Just goes to show you traffic does not equal monetization. We just tried Grok 4, yes, we tried it. It's very good. All right, LinkedIn, number 18. Amazing how much traffic LinkedIn has, huh? Yeah, LinkedIn will be taking HubSpot most likely. Naver is 19 and videos is 20. No, Hub doesn't have age verification yet, but they will shortly. Don't ask me how I know this. And it's going to be a bit of a disaster. Naver 16. Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, so yeah, some states it's already taken effect. But the real big ban is starting soon. Age verification is going to be national? Or is going to be state by state still? I don't remember. Certainly some states have already gone forward with it, but the Supreme Court decided it didn't have a constitutional problem with it. Which is weird, because it's sort of freedom of speech, right? Okay, live.com is Microsoft's site. I don't know, does anybody go to the site? I've been tracking it for years, and I've never been to it once. But yeah, live.com is dropping the traffic quite a bit. Pinterest, shockingly, number 22. Office.com, Temu. Oh, some Koreans are here to ruin my day. You will not buy IonQ. I won't let you. Korea, number 9. America, number 1. China, number 2. UK, number 3. Korea, last. Okay, Office, Temu. Anybody shop there? Temu is going to rise rapidly up this list at this rate. Wow, huge traffic growth for Temu. Maybe you got to buy this PinDuoDuo. Only thing faster than Temu is OpenAI. Barely existed a year or two ago. Then you got Bing. Poor Bing. I'm going to look at some of the finance ones only. TradingView has had some amazing growth. That's why I'm sent here to destroy you. We'll make the fastest trading stock chart ever. It hasn't grown that much. You will get the fidget spinner. Oh yeah, chat.com as well. That is true. I have to add that. I have Snapchat and Strip Chat. I'll personally deliver the spinner. You've been a fantastic, loyal friend. Has Fidelity lost share to Robinhood or something? Or is there summer seasonality for investing? May have lost some. Maybe it's fine. I might be reading too much into this data. Fidelity's grown over the years. It's fine. Let's see how Schwab has done. Forbes. People still go to Forbes? Forbes falling off a cliff. Well, Forbes might just like release their list once a year, and that's when they get a ton of traffic. And there's CNBC, which got a lot of traffic during the April environment. Hate CNBC. All my homies hate CNBC. Let's see, WallStreetJournal.com. Journal traffic, like, very steady. I think the people that rely on the Wall Street Journal will never not rely on it. Let me check out chat.com. Since it has a LinkedIn's logo for some reason. That says, sorry, you've been blocked. It's chat.com, right? Check some smaller sites that we compete with. Oh yeah, how's Bloomberg.com doing? Trash. It's dropped in ranking. Well, the Bloomberg website is nothing like the terminal, obviously. Zero Hedge amazingly gets some decent traffic. It's tanking in the ratings, frankly. Zero Hedge also, I don't know if Zero Hedge is dropping or not. Let me see. A little bit. Ooh, INMB falling nicely. I'm up 4% right now. Need to get 30 by year end. My stretch goal is 100. I have a small amount of Biohaven. MotleyFool.com. The ratings are terrible. They're falling off the face of the earth. They won't be renewed. Wow. Severe drop for MotleyFool. Well earned. They've been pumping quantum. Trying to get on the new trend. Just in time to get sold off. Oh. CoinMarketCap. People go to the site, man. So weird. It's dropped a bit though. But yeah, still millions of people use CoinMarketCap. Maybe it was bigger when altcoins were bigger. I don't know. Huge amount of traffic. Nothing's wrong with it per se. It's Binance owned? I didn't think it was Binance owned. Then there's Dex Screener. Dex Screener's fallen off. Is it Dex Tools that's big now? You're saying Binance did buy it? Investopedia. Yeah, Investopedia's dropped a bit. Seeking Alpha. Seeking Alpha's actually up a little bit. I thought it was over for them. Binance way. Okay, there's the Street.com. Street.com is on fire? How? How? How's way? StockTwits is alright. StockTwits ain't that bad. Traffic-wise, it actually climbed up the ranks a little. 13 million users in the last month. Let's see, SEC.gov. That's my favorite website. How else do you get financials? Not too popular of a website. For a long time, that was my homepage. Then the Fed switched up on me. Yeah, if only SEC.gov were more popular than StockTwits, people would make more money. Here's Perplexity. Let me check that out. Perplexity AI. Climbed up, it's climbed up. When I last looked at it, it was 2,400 globally. Now it's 338. And in the US, it was 4,266. Now it's 420. Well, he's gotten some good traffic. Good for him. Happy for Aravind. And it's just straight line up too. Well, the Q2 results should be out soon. Q2 is over. The big companies go next week. The smaller companies go the week after, and the smallest companies go the week after that. So that's typically how we do. Really looking forward to the quantum earnings. Don't think they're going to be very good. So we'll see. Yeah, the thing about IonQ is even with all their acquisitions and all that, if the other quantum companies don't have good earnings, nobody's going to trust IonQ. Like, oh yeah, they did really great. You know, it's, no, Anavex, we don't know when Anavex is yet. Who press releases a sale of 300K? Yeah, I still think AVXL is a short. I mean, it's pretty conclusive. There's not much work to do there. Further work, but maybe I'll write it up. I don't know. Finance chat. Finance chat. I forget exactly. FinChat changed their name, I think. Fiscal.ai. Kind of a terrible name. I'm short all the quantum stocks. I'm short Joby. I'm unveiling a big biotech short soon. Short Capper. I like Sarepta. I'm still short Immune. I don't have too much time to work on stocks these days. I'm mostly working on Godel. I like Nvidia. Soon I'll have time. I'll spend more time on investing. Yeah, I think AVXL is a short. I should probably short it now, I guess. But yeah, it's free for Godel users. Correct. I don't really think about SBET. I just traded it that one day and didn't really care about it. I haven't followed Clinuvel either. Really, quite frankly, for a decade. Top 3 ever or top 3 now? It's a big question. I did this before. Like, would you take Buffett or would you take, who would you make as your like top 5 hedge fund for traders, analysts? We did all this before. It was fun. I was ready. Earnings season, pre-announcement season. Where do you get a news tape like this on the web? Go to 𝐿terminal.com. You can tell a lot of things just by when a company announces when it's going to report for earnings. I'm staring at the tape. I try to get a quick trade in. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I'm 90 years old. Carlyle's release? Okay. That seems like Carlyle's subsidiary. Control Plus zooms in on your browser. I studied Buffett my whole life. I learned how to price increase from him. I learned from you. Kairos announced resignation. Don't know if that's good. They have a proxy fight. Top 3 guys now in hedge funds? Ooh, I don't know. Let me think. Because, you know, are you including like market makers and prop shops, just long short? It's tricky. Q2, Discovery, Cube, QRT. Like right now, those guys have the hottest hands, I think. Maybe TCI? I don't know. Ackman's good. It's tough because I also want to be nice to my friends. Yeah, you can mute certain things like India government news and Hindustan Times. Reading the tape on Bloomberg isn't easy either, but it's actually harder to fix the Bloomberg tape to your liking. It's easier on Godel. And you can do things like just search for whatever thing you want, like NI macro or NI earnings or whatever. But yeah, Hindustan, let's get rid of Hindustan. I definitely don't want it in Hindi. No offense. I like all candy, man. Cointelegraph has basically gone to 0. Was that the Sam Bankman-owned one? Yeah, anytime is a good time to short QBT. I agree with that. I mean, remember, it's going to be like 300K probably over a year or two. It's probably low margins, like looks like a consultant type service agreement, research agreement type thing, not a serious thing. These aren't serious people. Why do they call it iceberg research? Because it's bad news, folks. Bad news. I think Barron said I did a decent impression of his dad, but I'm sure he hears tons of them. Yeah, I don't know if we'll ever get a pullback in the stock market again. Seems like never. Up only from here on out. It is impressive how Trump calmed down this little rebellion he had in his law enforcement and intelligence team. Hey, I got alpha, baby. I'm not worried. I mean, if that were true sardine, there would never be a time to short them and they would go up forever. So, and we know that doesn't happen. You kind of have to surf the wave, ride it perfectly, and it's not easy. But usually you can feel when it's sort of a little off. Suspecta. Sarepta suspecta. Yeah, it doesn't have to be, you don't have to have guts. You can have a small position. Guts only come into place when you have a big position. You feel it in your gut too? Me too. See, I think CoreWeave is, CoreWeave's overvalued, but there's a real business and a real trend there. Quantum shorts are better than ever. Yeah, it's mostly quantum and it's mostly on the short side. I mean, I'll find some new ideas of just,